This whistleblower bill, along with the witness protection and SARA, I believe has sustained the scrutiny of almost all of them, because they have been part and parcel of anti-corruption seminars and sensitization seminars in respect of the AML-CFT. So the provisions of this bill are well known to employees of the state, because they were the ones, and they are the ones that are being targeted. So stakeholders have been signed on. I know. Stakeholders have signed on, and they have had ample opportunity to give their contributions to the provisions of this whistleblower bill.